In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event-based automation in HubSpot. Now, if you're new to HubSpot, or even if you've been using it for a while, creating automated sequences for events can be a huge time saver, allowing you to engage with your contacts effectively and efficiently. So, let's dive right into it together, and I'll walk you through each step in detail. To begin, we need to access the HubSpot dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. That's where you'll find the sales option in the sidebar. Go ahead and click on that. The sidebar is your launchpad for everything we'll be doing today, providing access to the range of tools HubSpot offers. Next up, we're going to click on Sequences. This section allows you to set up and manage automated workflows, a key component in orchestrating follow-ups post-event. Think of sequences as the heartbeat of your customer relationship management processes, doing the heavy lifting of keeping your communications timely and relevant. Now, it's time to get creative. Click on Create a Sequence. This is where the magic begins, where we'll fashion the automation that will become your digital event assistant. This sequence will be tailored to the specific nature of your events. Follow the on-screen prompts and choose Start with a pre-made sequence. This option provides you with ready-to-use templates that are quite handy, especially if you're looking to save time and streamline your process. From the pre-made options available, select Event Follow-up. This choice is designed specifically for nurturing contacts post-event, guiding them smoothly through the next stages of your sales or marketing funnel. Leveraging HubSpot's powerful automation capabilities, this step ensures you're not just following up, but doing so with precision and purpose. With your sequence pathway mapped out, click on Create Sequence. This step brings your automation blueprint to life, ready to engage with the first wave of participants. HubSpot's user-friendly interface makes this part straightforward, but be sure to tailor your sequence's content to reflect your unique brand voice and goals. Now, onto one of the most crucial steps, clicking Save. This action locks in your sequence, ensuring all your hard work is recorded and ready for execution. It's worthwhile taking a moment here to review all the details, ensuring everything is set just as you want it. Accuracy at this stage will pay off when the sequence goes live. As you complete your setup, you'll encounter prompts on the screen guiding you through the final configurations. Be sure to follow these carefully. HubSpot's guide instructions will help you fine-tune your sequence for the best outcomes. And there you have it, a complete event-based automation workflow in HubSpot, ready to enhance your contact engagement strategies. So the next time you're hosting an event, you'll know exactly how to follow up efficiently and effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating!